Hey everyone! If you're tired of wrestling with stubborn cans that won't cooperate, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 3 electric can openers that are going to make your life in the kitchen so much easier. We're going through them together, from the most budget-friendly to the most premium option. Let's get into it. First up, we've got the Cuisinart can opener with one-touch operation. This handy model lets you pop open cans with just the press of a button, making it an absolute game-changer for seniors or anyone who just wants things simple and hassle-free. The wide non-slip base keeps everything rock steady, and the easy clean design is a huge bonus in any kitchen. Next, let's talk about the Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Electric Automatic Can Opener. This one takes things up a notch by cutting along the side of the can, which means no more sharp edges, and you can actually reuse the lid to store leftovers. The easy press lever lets you get the job done with just one hand. And that sleek chrome and black design? It looks sharp in any kitchen setup. Finally, for those of you who want a truly top-tier option, meet the Cuisinart CCO55 Deluxe. Packed with a powerful motor and a power cut blade, it handles any can size without breaking a sweat. The sturdy base means zero slipping, and the removable activation lever makes cleanup an absolute breeze. On top of that, it comes backed by a 3-year warranty, which says a lot about how built to last this thing really is. And that's a wrap on today's picks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one for more handy kitchen comparisons.